Edo Deputy Governor, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, on 20th December 2023, hosts the yearly gathering of all media practitioners where him tag Breakfast with Tori Pipo for the year 2023 for in residence for Benin City. Oga Shaibu con tok say people dey talk about who dey sponsor am, but dem no know say na Baba God be him sponsor. Shaibu for him talk with Tori Pipo con tok say na him way of giving back to Naija Tori Pipo for the better work wey dem dey do and to also thank Tori Pipo sake of say na one of dem save him life years ago.
Journalist is because it's my way of giving back to journalists and saying thank you to Nigerian journalists for saving my life. Because one of them did investigating journalists to the extent of knowing that I was incarcerated somewhere. And he was able to write a story that led to the entire world knowing that I was somewhere. And that saved my life. And I was able to matter that place. And I have to encourage Nigerian journalists to know that investigative journalism and to appreciate them and expose them to the world. For us to celebrate Nigerian journalists in every ramification, not just Nigeria, all over the world. But when you see their work, you can't just listen as a right. Some of them lose their life at the end of the day just because they want to record this thing for us to see. So for me, it's my way, my own way of giving back, appreciating the journalist profession and encouraging them to do better and also reminding them of their duties. Today, 3 winners in my annual investigative journalist award, and by the grace of God, we're going to expand and expand this to the world. We need for us to celebrate all of them.
Chairmo, Nigerian Union of Journalists, NUJ, Edo State Chapter, Festus Alekhe, Control salute give Oga Shaibu as he don't take sustain the Breakfast with Tori Pipo for the past 24 years as he start from early 1999 till date, even when he not there for Naija, and say them as Tori Pipo go always stand gidigba with him.
I'd like to personally thank you for sustaining this breakfast meeting. Started several years ago at the beginning of 1999, and this is 2023. Let me say, about 24 years now. You have never failed 1 year. Even when you are abroad, you insist that this gathering you hold. I want to say thank you. At our end, all we can assure you is our maximum cooperation. We want to eat, drink, and at the end of the day, we smile. Thank you very much, Mr. Deputy Governor. And to quickly say here that all of us in the journalistic profession will continue to give you the necessary support.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Benin City, Pelumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.